Guys, again today we talk about triangles, angles and sides. We have an overview about them. So we got types of triangles, but I would say in here based on sides first. So based on sides, so we call that side and we call this angle. We got in each triangle we got three sides, 1 2 3 the sides. We got three angles in each of them. So in here I got one side, two side, three side, one side, two side, one side, two side, three sides, and three angles. So we talk about the types. How can we call them? So each of them got a name. So based on first of all, based on the sides. So the first one, if I got the first side equal the second side equal the third side, so all sides are equals. In this situation, we call it equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle. So we call it equilateral triangle because all sides are the same, are equal. So for example, if we'll have an example, this one 3 centimeters and the other one 3 centimeters and that one should be 3 centimeters. In this situation, I can call this triangle equilateral triangle. The other type, I've got two sides are equal but the other side is not, different length. In this situation, we call this one isosceles triangle. We got two sides are equal but the other side different. So for example, this one's 3 centimeters, this one 3 centimeters, but this one 5 centimeters, for example. So we've got two sides are equal but the same length, but the other side different length, so isosceles triangle. The last type based on sides is scalene triangle. In here I've got three different lengths. So for example, this one 2 centimeters, this one 5 centimeters, and this one 2 centimeters, and the other one should be 3 centimeters, for example. So three different lengths. So in this situation we call it scalene triangle, isosceles and equilateral triangle. Those the name of the triangle based on the size. Now the name of the triangles based on angles. So in this situation, for example, I've got a triangle like that. As we know, those two sides are perpendicular to each other, so this is 90 degree. We all know that. So this one is 90 degree because I've got two sides are perpendicular to each other. In this situation, this one 90, we call this one right angle. So we call that right angle. So what if I've got triangle like that? I've got acute angle. Acute means triangle means each side is less than 90 degree. So each side in here could be 89, could 70, 60, whatever, but can be more than 90. So the second one is acute triangle, and the last one is obtuse triangle. Obtuse could be like that. For example, as we can see, the the angle in here over or higher or greater than 90. So in this situation, we call that triangle obtuse angle. Obtuse triangle, sorry. So those the types of triangle based on the sides and based on angles. If I have a line, just a line, and I want the degree from here to here, half circle from here to here. So this one is straight line. So the angle of the straight line, this one, the angle of the straight line is 180 degree. 180 degrees. So what if I have a straight line but another line cut it perpendicular to this line? In this situation, I've got 90 in here degree, I've got 90 in here degree, I've got 90 in here degree, 90 in here degree. So this one give me a circle 360. The sum of them is 3. For example, if I call this one A degree, B degree, C, whatever, A plus B plus C plus D, 4 of them should be equal to 360 degree. And in here, A plus B, the angle of the straight line should be equal to 180. And A equal to B equal to C equal to D in this situation, and that would give me 90 degree in this situation. So for example, I have a straight line in here. I've got a line like that. I've got, for example, this one AB, a straight line, and this one we call it C, for example, and I've got another line like that. We call this one, give it to me 60 degree, for example. The value of this angle is 60 degree, and they give me C in here, and they want me to find, and this one is, for example, 110, and they told me to find C. So as we know, C plus 110 plus 60, all of those equal to, as we said, 180 degree. So 110 plus 60, 170 degree, plus C equal 180 degree. So we'll take this one to the other side. I will end up with C equal to 180 degree minus 170 degree, and that will give me 10 degree. So C in this situation just 10 degree. Of course, the drawing here is not accurate, just we guys learning. So in this situation, I will have C is 10 degree. Angle in here, and I've got a straight line in here. So this straight line parallel to that line. So they parallel to each other. They parallel. They would never meet in a point. They keep going just with no instruction. Anyway, guys, so I've got this line is parallel to this line. In this situation, this angle in here, we call it A, for example, and this one B. So A equal to B in this situation. This angle equal to this angle. So A angle equal to B angle in this situation, because two parallel lines and they form Z. They form Z letter, if you can see, if you can notice, sorry. So now the same situation, this one equal to this one. So A dash, for example, and this one B dash. So this one, this angle equal to this angle, the same rule. So A dash angle equal to B dash angle in this situation. For example, so if this angle is 70 degree, for example, this should be 70. And if this one 70 as well, this should be 70. We'll have an example. I've got an example in here. I've got this one 65. I've got this one 75. And they want me to find A, B, and C. A, B, and C. So as we know, we've got a straight line here, we've got a straight line in here. So B will be equal to 65 degree. Why? Because we've got two straight lines and this angle equal to this angle. In this situation, I've got B equal to 65. Now, what about C? C, of course, equal to 75 degree because this angle equal to this angle. What about A? So how can we find A then? As we know, we've got a straight line in here, and the angle of a straight line we know is 180 in it. So I've got 65 degree plus A, 65 plus A plus 75 degree. That should give me 180 degree. In this situation, I will add those together. 80, 140 degree plus A equal to 180 degree, and A equal to 40 degree. So A got 40 degree. Just guys, I know it's easy, but just an introduction to triangles and for the future, guys, for the future lessons. Let's go one more thing. If we got a triangle, the sum of the angles of any triangle is 180. So this one A, B, C. Those angles, A angle plus B angle plus C angle equal to 180. The sum of them equal to 180. A quick example, if we go here 60 and here I've got 70, for example, 60 degree and 70 degree, and they want this angle. So 60 plus degree, 70 degree plus, for example, x, we call it x, it's unknown, just unknown, guys, equal to 180, because this one plus this one plus this one equal to 180. In this situation, 130 degree plus x equal to 180, and x equal to 180 degree minus 130 degree will end up with 50 degree. So this one is 50 then. I've got this one is 50 degree, guys. One more thing, if I've got two lines, they cut each other in one point, for example, equally, this angle will equal to this angle. So A equal to B in here. So this one A, this one B. They cut each other, they meet in one point, so the opposite angles, they will equal. Okay guys, so if you go two lines, they cut each other in one point, they meet in one point, so the opposite angles, the sum of the opposite angle will equal to 180. That means A angle plus B angle will give me 180. This, if you call this one A and B, and this one C and D, sorry D, so C plus D should give me 180. At the end of the day, all as a circle, that will give me 360. So all, they will give me 160, and half of them from here to here, as we know, is a straight line angle, isn't it? So this one 180, and that makes sense. And this one 180 will give me 360 degree. So the half of them will give me 180 degree, which is the angle of the straight line. Yes, guys. Now we'll talk about Pythagoras theorem. I've got an angle, right angle, of course. So just first notice, in the Pythagoras triangle or theory, we can't apply Pythagoras theory if I don't have a right triangle. So I can't. If I don't have a 90 degree angle in the triangle, Pythagoras theorem can be applied, guys. We can use it. So in this situation, it says, the Pythagoras theory says, the square of the hypotenuse with the longest side in the triangle, is equal to the sum of the squares of the other two sides, this side and this side. So what does that mean? So let's find out. The square of the hypotenuse, I've got BC square. That will equal to AB square plus AC square. AB square plus AC. So the square of this side, the longest side in the triangle, will equal to the square of this side and the sum of this side, the square of this side and the square of this side. So this is Pythagoras theorem. Now, for example, I've got this one. AB is 3, the length of AB, and the length of AC is 4 centimeters, and I have to find the hypotenuse. So in this situation, what can we do? Just we apply the rule of the theory. So BC square, which I need. So just let's call this one X, guys, for example. It's just a noun. Okay, X square equal to AB square. AB square is 3 centimeters square, so 3 square, plus AC. AC in here 4 centimeters, so 4 square. So in this situation, X square equal to 9 plus 16, and that would give me X square equal to 25. So that would give me X equal to plus or minus, as we learned, 25. But absolutely I can't have minus result because it's a side. So how can a side be minus? So the negative value will be rejected, declined, and I will deal with the positive value. X equal to 5, sorry. Yeah, sorry, X square. X equal to 5, sorry, not 25. Yeah, because X square is 25. I root both, so both of them, I end up with X equal to 5. So this side, it will equal to 5. So X equal to 5 centimeters. So 4 centimeters, 5 centimeters. So that's Pythagoras theorem. Hello guys, we got some just types. Let's have a look. So we got rectangle in here. Rectangle, I've got this length equal to this length, and this length equal to this length. Definitely this one should be bigger than this one, or whatever, or opposite. So that's the length, that's the width, for example. In this situation, if I want the area of the rectangle, I will just multiply one side of those, multiply with one side of those. So this one multiply this one, that would give me the area of this one. What if I want the circumference? Circumference will give, I have to add the all sides. Circumference, like everything, I will calculate it. So what I need to do, I would put L plus W plus L plus W, which is 2L plus 2W. Okay, that will give me the circumference of the rectangle. Now the area of the square got 4 sides are equal. They're all equal. So one of them, for example, L multiply 2, which is L plus L, whatever, L plus L, or this one plus this, or L plus 2, the same. That will give me the area of the square. The circumference, I will add this one plus this one plus this one plus this one, I will get the circumference. The triangle, for example, I've got that triangle. To get the area of the triangle, I've got the base in here. So this one, the base, multiply it with the height of the triangle. So the base multiply the height over 2. So the area of it, you got the base, which is in here, in this situation, BD. You multiply with the height, got AC, and divide all of that onto, you will get the area of the triangle. For the circle, for the area, by r square. Why is by? By is just a number, guys, fixed number. It has a value. 3.14 blah 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 blah. So 3.14, that's by just a number, multiply r square. R is the radius, so that's the radius from the point, from the center of the circle to the end of any whatever direction of the circle. That's all radius, radius, radius. They all equal. So from here to go anywhere in the circle, they are equal. So by multiply r, whatever circumference of the circle, so just 2 by r. So from here to here is the radius. If I want the diameter of the circle, that means 2r, all of that, the diameter. So that's the diameter of the circle, and from here, from this point, from the center of the circle to the end of the whatever point in the around the circle, that will give me the radius. Now trapezium, for example, like that, whatever type of them. So you got the area of it, you got base 1 plus the base 2. So base 1 plus the base 2, all of that multiplied by the height, multiplied by the height over 2. So that's the area of the trapezium. Parallelogram, the area of it is the base multiplied the height. Quite easy one. So in the base multiplied the height of it. So that's the area of the parallelogram.